The bare bulb look has become a worldwide favourite in recent years. You may want to set this up yourself on a budget. This isn't always easy to do, as I'm sure you'll agree. In this video, you will see how to wire up this lamp holder as part of your overall pendant lighting idea, and I promise you that you'll find out all you need to know about this lamp holder to make your plan work. I'm Derek Smith and I've been wiring this lamp holder for a number of years now. It's one of our most popular and most economical lamp holders for wiring a lot of pendants. In this video I'm going to show you how it arrives, how to take it apart and how to wire it up. Let's get started. This is how the lamp holder will arrive to you, completely assembled. This is how you take the lamp holder apart. So you hold the base like that, downwards, and pulling the skirt up, you undo the skirt like this. Now you may find that you need to actually press down this bit here while you're undoing the skirt, and for that you need to use a small mains tester screwdriver like this just to press it down whilst you are actually untightening this skirt, but usually it should come apart quite easily in the way that I've just shown you. So now I'm going to show you how to wire it up. Firstly, you need your flex, and this can be 2 or 3 cores. I'm going to use 3 core in this video because this lamp holder does have an earth terminal. You can use 2 core though because it is plastic, and I have videos on how to prepare braided flex or other flex in our cable section. So this is stripped back 20 to 25 millimeters. So the first thing you need to do is feed it into the cap. So to do that, I'm just going to take off the cone like this, and you need to feed this through. And sometimes you need to twist it clockwise just to push it through, and then you need to take hold of the earth wire like this and feed it down into the earth terminal like that. Then using the screwdriver you can tighten it up like that. Then we need to wire up the brown core, the live wire, and that needs to go into the terminal connected to the center pin. So we'll put that in there like that. Right, tighten it in like that. And put the neutral core into there. Again, it's critical that these 2 cores do actually go into these terminals exactly as I've shown. They can't be the other way around. And then what we do is we push that down, and it will only fit down one way into the cap. If it's not stable, then you need to turn it round until it is stable. So it's pressed in like that. Then I put my finger through here and just hold that down while I tighten on the skirt, and then I tighten up the skirt like this until it can't go any further, and then I slide on the cone like this. And there we have the completed lamp holder. If you'd like to purchase this lamp holder, you can do it on this page. Or if you want to contact us about trade pricing, go ahead and read the article below on whether LampFix is a good fit for your business. If you're still unsure, you can go ahead and browse our other pendant lamp holder options. Or if you want to learn more about pendant making, why not read our article by clicking the link below. Well, I hope that you've enjoyed watching this video, and thank you very much, and look forward to hearing from you soon. If you do have any questions, please just contact us.